Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Abhinav. I'm a first year medical student, and today I kind of want to do a little tech review. I actually recently got the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE at Costco. Costco is running a month-long sale from beginning to end of November, so there's still a little bit of time. Not sponsored, by the way, but I just happened to pick up this tablet and I wanted to unbox it for you guys. So what you get in the box is the tablet itself, as well as a keyboard case and the stylus. Unlike some other tablet brands out there, Apple, yeah, you don't really get the stylus, but luckily Samsung does provide the stylus, and obviously these parts are available for replacement on other websites. But the thing about this deal is in Costco is you get this keyboard cover that has a full functioning keyboard for the tablet at basically no extra cost. At $500, you get the base 64 gig S7 FE, as well as the tablet and the stylus, which is an incredible deal if I have to say, because it doesn't really matter how much storage you have because it has an expandable SD card slot. So you could just pop in about, like, I think the max is like a terabyte of the micro SD expansion that's capable. So you could just pop that in and you have a lot more capability of storage that you might not have thought. And so I don't think it's a big deal that it comes with a base of 64 gigabytes. And there are obviously other models available in other websites, especially Samsung's websites, but this is the one that's offered at Costco. Costco also has a regular tablet. But you can see in the unboxing that it was pretty sleek design. Everything is packaged very well, as I would expect from Samsung. And when you power it on, you basically log in through. And I was actually able to connect to my phone. I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 for my phone, so I was able to connect all my apps into that tablet and basically have like a second phone on a bigger screen, which was pretty cool. And I was also able to connect it through my Wi-Fi to my laptop. So when my laptop is on, I can access my files from my laptop onto my tablet and able to access them and edit them and then re-upload them into my file so I could have them on the laptop. And finally, Samsung devices have something called DeX mode. So DeX mode actually works on the phone as well as on the tablet. It's basically emulating like a full-on computer onto your tablet. Obviously, there's no trackpad with the keyboard case that I have, but if you go into the Samsung Tab S7 Pro Plus, you get a full functioning trackpad on the keyboard that's compatible with that. But no matter what, this Samsung experience is pretty great because you could actually have all your Galaxy devices connected. And it's not just that, Android devices in general are pretty well supported through the Samsung devices. And this is a great alternative for Apple. I have to say Apple's iPads are probably the best tablets that you can buy right now, even better than the Samsung Galaxy Tabs. But if you're looking for an Android alternative and you don't want to go into Apple like I am, these are a great option. Be wondering why I'm taking a tablet as a medical student, and I do want to make a good video about that, explaining all the things that I go into, a deep dive into how I use my tablet as a medical student. But generally speaking, I want to use it because there's a lot of things that you need to draw on for medical school, whether it be pathways or looking at histological slides. It's a great thing to have, like, just a tool that you're able to draw on. Unfortunately, these days, a lot of things aren't really done on paper anymore, so having a virtual thing to draw on is a pretty great thing to do when you're studying. So that's my primary reason. It's also another way to get an extra screen. I do have multiple monitors set up. Let me know if you want me to do a desk tour. That'll be pretty fun. But this is like another way to have another monitor coming in. And I can always bring it into school as well. It's a very lightweight option, and it gives me more flexibility depending on what kind of things we're learning about and what kind of area I'm in. If it's like just a little tiny coffee table, it might just be better to bring out my tablet than my big laptop. And obviously, everything is synced with my phone and everything, so I have multiple notifications going on in case I miss something in my schedule or anything like that. So as a medical student, and honestly a student in general, I think it's pretty good having a tablet in the arsenal of things that's available in case that one thing breaks down and I'm able to have files in multiple places. And honestly, you're not really missing much with the Android tablets for the Samsung because you can get all the Android apps that are available. Microsoft apps are usually compatible with Android, obviously with Apple iOS as well. But obviously, as a I use a lot of Samsung devices, so things can seamlessly interact with all the Samsung devices. So with that being said, that's about it. Please let me know what you think about this. It's a little different about like a tech unboxing, but I am excited to show you what I'm able to do. And I have received some comments about some new video ideas to talk about, especially trading in the stock market, and also like things about doing research, how I got into research and how I can help you guys get into research as well as undergrads or even as med students. So please look forward to that. I have a bunch of videos coming up, so you don't want to miss them. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.